again we have to find the missing number. You see, I told you the rules now. To find the minuend, this is the minuend portion, right? To find the minuend, what we have to do? Adding the subtractand and the difference, right? So 4 plus 1 will be 5. What will come here? 5. Got it? Why? Because we have to find the subtractand, we have to find the minuend place. Clear? Then here we have to find the subtractand. For subtractand, what rule I told you? Minus we have to do the difference and the minuend, right? Now, how to subtract a bigger number from a smaller number? Is it possible? It is not possible. Sorry. So we cannot subtract a bigger from the smaller number, I told you. For this purpose, what we have to do? Borrowing 1 to this place. Okay. And this will become here 1 because 2 has given 1 to this. Now from 17 we can subtract this 9. Right? So what will come here? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay. It will come here 8. Are you getting this or not? Okay. Again here we have to find the subtractand. How do we find the subtractand? Minus we have to do the difference and the minuend. Right? Again it is here 1. So from a smaller number, can we subtract a bigger number? Not possible. So it will become here 7 and it will become here 1. Right? Now this become 11. 11 minus 6 is possible, right? So 11 minus 6 is 5. Now here we have to find the difference. For finding the difference, what do we do? Subtracting the minuend and subtraction. 7 minus 4 will be 3. Is it clear to you? Only the rule we have to keep in mind. And the rule says whenever we have to find the minuend, we will add the difference and subtractand. Just keep in mind this thing. Minuend we have to find, add the difference and subtractand. When we have to find the subtractand, then you will subtract the difference and minuend. Okay? And when we have to find the difference, then we will subtract the minuend and subtractand. These 3 points you have to keep in mind. Okay? So this question 2B you can complete in your textbooks.